So Regional 3R and Circular Economy Forum in Asia and Pacific. With reference to Regional 3R and Circular Economy Forum in Asia and Pacific, the core objective is to promote, reduce, reuse, and recycle along with circular economy practice. The theme of 12th edition is they have given some theme. All editions of the forum have been hosted only by India. It was launched with the support of UNCRD. The forum has played a crucial role in SDGs, Paris Agreement, and even ecosystem restoration. So I think, yeah, everyone has learned the techniques really good, that you don't have to know the topic, you are able to answer the questions. So all the effort in current affairs class will go waste. Okay, so objective is definitely right, theme is wrong, all editions will not be there, support keyword is good, and this is also right. Okay, very good. So try to answer this question of the term cities collision for circularity recently seen is related to. Here also you can apply techniques only, easily you will get the answer. Don't worry that it's not a difficult thing. Again, I told you, try to apply techniques. Launched by India, I haven't given here. I thought I did not give this. It is not that easy, not that easy. It is a coalition, first of all. Okay, it is a coalition, cities coalition. So multination alliance launched by India for city to city collaboration, circular economy and waste. Circularity should also be there, right? Circularity. So circularity keyword is there and cities also should be there. Okay. So based on that, you try to answer the question. Anyways, in this question, dash dominates global use of resources and accounts 63% of world material use. Which area or region accounts for 63% of world's material use? Region, I'm saying region. You can consider the region as well. Like you can say Europe, you can say USA or North America. In that way, it's basically Asia Pacific. Asia Pacific dominates global use of resources, accounts for 63% of material use. Okay, now coming to regional 3R circular economy. See, PIB has extensively covered this year. We are expecting definitely a question on this year. Okay, why? Because it's not a small forum. It has contributed a lot to a lot of important things. Okay, so all the things have been mentioned here. In fact, for SDGs also it has contributed. The Paris Agreement also it has contributed. It has come in 2009, and recently in Global Plastic Treaty also it is trying to contribute. Okay. So the theme I have given here: realizing circular society towards achieving SDGs. Okay, last was held in Cambodia. So not every summit has happened in India. Last was held in Cambodia. And basically it is focusing on this 3R. And in this, Urban Ministry has announced Cities Coalition for Circularity. Remember, Urban Ministry has also announced Cities Coalition for Circularity, which you just now saw. Okay. And what is the major milestone earlier? It was the one which has adopted Hanoi 3D declaration in 2013 to 23. Now what happened? Now it has adopted 3R and circular economy declaration for 2025 to 34. Okay, that is the reason this is very important. So recently we have adopted a new declaration as well. And it is organized recently by all organizations are there here, and also it is supported by also is given. So both the things you have to look for. One is organized by and one is supported by. All the keywords of UPSC are there in this question. Can I say that? All the keywords of UPSC are there in this question. Objective, aim, organization, organized by, supported by. So definitely a question possibility is there from this particular topic. Now cities coalition for circularity. Yes, India has initiated this one. And basic Prime Minister also has mentioned about this, and he wrote a letter on this, and he also mentioned about pro-planet people approach. Okay, so he says that we need to follow pro-planet people approach, P3 approach. In the same article, we also saw that city investments to innovate, integrate, and sustain. Which ministry has launched this? City investments to innovate, integrate, and sustain. Okay, minister. But it comes under which mission? It comes under a very important mission, which is that smart city mission. Comes under smart cities mission. So basic idea also have given here. You can just go through. So now cities 2.0 they have started. So it is conceived by Urban Affairs Ministry along with EU and along with German Development Bank and these things. Okay, and basically the focus is on financial as well as technical assistance for promoting circular economy. What they will say in the exam, they may restrict it to what? Mostly cities investment to innovate, instigate, and sustain. The aim and objective I told you, they will try to restrict the aim and objectives. So they may say only finance. Remember that. Okay. They may say only finance. If you remember, same thing they have done for which question? Mainly finance they have given. World Toilet Organization. Very good. World Toilet Organization. They said that it is mainly finance. Same thing they will say that city investments to, and investments also clearly says that. So you may think that it is finance, but it is not mainly finance. It is finance. Yes, definitely. Technical assistance also is part of it.